Hi guys, for reading this week, you're going to be working on 3 different skills. You're going to be working on being able to figure out what the author's point of view is, meaning how does the author feel about the topic. You're also going to notice that all of the stories you'll be reading this week are biographies. Notice I didn't say autobiographies. That's because they weren't written by the person they're about. So for instance, you'll read a story about Rosa, and the story wasn't written by Rosa. It was written by somebody else, but it's still about her life, so it's still considered a biography. So you're going to be working on trying to figure out how the author feels about that person. You're also going to be working on prefixes and suffixes that are found in words. So for instance, you'll see some prefixes. Prefixes happen at the beginning of the word, such as un. That is a prefix that you guys have probably seen quite a bit. For instance, oh, is that backwards? Ooh, I don't know how to make that not backwards. Like, for instance, uncommon. That's a word that you might use pretty often. And un would mean that it's not common. So it means the opposite of what the word is implying. So not common. Another prefix you might see is non. You guys have seen this word quite a bit in your readings. Non would mean something very similar to the one we just did. So if I did nonfiction, it would mean not fiction. Guys, I can't get this figured out. I'm not a YouTuber. I don't know how to do it, so just give me the benefit of the doubt. But you'll see some prefixes. You'll also be seeing some suffixes. Now, suffixes are what happens at the end of a word. For instance, ly. You might see this on the end of words. Ly. If I do something, I might do it quickly. That's describing how I did the action. Ly is describing how I did something. I can do something quickly. Or let's see if I can find another suffix. Oh. Like I am faster than you. Faster, I'm comparing it to something. Okay? So suffixes are they're word parts that we add to the end of the word to change the meaning. So you're going to be working on prefixes, suffixes, biography stuff, but also working on trying to figure out how the author feels about the person they're writing the biography about. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions.